lovelies and friends, and it's another day on the mix. And we have Dwayne, he's dissecting, listening to Sophie's tape. And this is where Sophie's talking about a few things that she encountered with Lorraine. She's saying that her platform is growing much more than Lorraine's, and Lorraine has been on the platform for many years, and she's just starting on. And she's saying that she's there for positivity. She's not there to tear down other people. She wants to have a positive vibes on her page. She don't need to be tearing down other people to get ahead. So she's saying that she wants to continue to be positive, and many things that are going on in social media with Lorraine was ridiculous. She's basically saying that she cursed Auntie Donna because of Lorraine, and she's saying that she didn't know this lady and was taking sides. She did that. She's saying majority of us on social media don't know Miss D. However, we're taking up for different sides. So go catch the video and see what Sophie has to say here and what Dwayne has to say about Sophie and Lorraine. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel as always. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
Shelter over my head. But if you ask me, if the truth between security and beauty, I will tell you, beauty is my passion. Beauty is what I love. You understand? When I have passion for something, it never be a dull moment in my life. You understand?
Yeah, I get drunk.
Then you find say Facebook come up and I do me look one and me look this.
I get drunk.
You go talk about me never a part of the talk truth. You search come up? Yeah, you wasn't a part of the talk truth and this.
Yeah.
When you say you're part of the talk
When
truth.
you ask a girl?
No, no part. I was associate and I was a supporter. I was a supporter. Yes, I used to come on and hit your platform and cuss out Planka Bass. Yes, every minute me get black for you. Me say if you look on my Facebook page, I don't know how they not take you away. I don't know how Facebook not take me away. Every damn month me get black because of Lorraine. Because me I cuss Planka. Do I know Planka? No. Do any of us here on social media know Planka? Very few.
Me know her!
Very few.
Me know her!
Because you want to say now, you give me Facebook and you put me along. Lorraine, for your Facebook page, no better than for me. You might have a couple hundred more than me. Look how long you have Facebook. Look how long you have black from 2019 and you not even reach 10,000. I mean almost the 9,000. Let's say a papi show. You know, say a papi show.
Papi what?
You're in a Facebook how long? Sophie page monetize. So Facebook, she says, Sophie, I do something good then. Me really, I do something good on Facebook. So I'm going to take my Facebook page and do something, encouragement.
Well, you're not Sophie, go to get there, girl.
Nobody. Not to bring down nobody. Me I progress myself. Me I elevate myself.
Una here?
Una
blood clot here? Listen good.
I'm glad when I'm part of you. I, Sophia Dunkley, say I am not a part of talk truth. I hit you about me for. Did I say anything wrong? You gonna come out and say, but you never was a part. You hear that? The hypocrite. You wasn't a part. Did I say I was a part? Me no want nobody associate me with talk truth family. I am not a part. Associate me with talk truth family. You understand? I'm gonna make it clear. I am not a part.
As I'm a drink that Jamaica
Big
same
up
song.
Planka Bass. Planka Bass, if me cuss you up, me sorry.
But me hear that one, yeah?
You understand? I'm gonna make it clear. I am not a part. Big up Planka Bass. Planka Bass, if me cuss you up, me sorry. Yes. Planka Bass, if me cuss you out, and me call you, you're too craving, and you're too this, me sorry. Because guess what? Then that cheer me on too. She see that cheer me and I say, yes, go cuss out Planka Bass for you. You want somebody to cuss out Planka Bass for you. You see this girl here? You have a mind of not one. Me.
Come on here, Sophie girl.
No girl can send me out. No girl can send me out for cuss Planka. Planka Bass, I, Sophie Dunkley, I am sorry. I am sorry. Me not big, he said, me not sorry. If me say any unkind words to you, any unkind word, I take it back from the bottom of my heart. Tanka boss, I say unkind word to you. You have feelings and I have feelings. If I say any unkind words, deep down in my soul, deep down in my heart, we are all women. I am deeply sorry. Please accept my apology. The reason why I do it, because guess what? We are supporters.
Hey, listen, on the tell Dana what the timestamp in my video now. Tell Dana if you can listen to a little part there. Yeah? Tell us the top how I say. Can listen to a little part there. It's a little part there.
And we follow platforms. And sometimes, Planka Boss, you say words out of your mouth, which is unkind as well. You do it as well. You understand? Planka Boss, you say unkind word to you. You need to say sorry too. You need to say sorry.
Chevy says, Sophie, you apologizing to 99 is a slap in Curly's face. Chevy, let me tell you something about life, girl. Nothing is wrong with extending an apology to anyone. Not because that person over there, sir, don't like that person over there. So that don't mean you have to not like that person because of that person over there, sir. You understand? Like, you see the way a lot of you on here are living your lives? It is way too fucking toxic. I'm telling you not to get you on the two blood clot toxic. Clot. I wanna come from. When I find come from. So not tell me so because Curly don't like the one, Sophie not like the one too. On the blood clot stop. That's stop. Cause we get dark and we get dark. We get dark. I don't want to get dark. I don't want to get dark. I really don't want to get dark. I don't want to say when I find a call. I swear to God. I find God. I want the people. Where the people come from, God? Where the people blood clot come from, God? I'm a full financial side. See, I tell you because Curly don't like the one. Sophie the blood. Move, girl. Me and my blood clot. You see me and my blood clot. Alcohol. Don't jam long tongue in the girl. Hold on. Because you look more. Hold on. That's so blood clarity. Hold on. So you are telling me, say, because Curly ate 99, I don't like 99. Sophie ate it to, I want the bomb clot this God. So when I tell me, say, if tomorrow come Curly come out, I say, 99, I'm sorry. I'm not going to eat Curly too. Come man, come on. On feel better. On feel better than this. On not think logically. On is not thinking logically. No way, shape, or blood clot farm. On not think logically. So when I tell me, say, if I come out to me and say, 99, I say, I may cuss you. It take a slapping on the face. I wear the bomb clot this God. All the people, all God. Charlie, I crosses. Why, Sharon? If I laugh, I pop up the blouse and skirt. Nothing is wrong with Sophie saying I'm sorry to the woman. Nothing wrong with it. If she feel like she done wrong, what is wrong with she says she's sorry? Come on, on the stop, you know. Hey, someone not cross, you know, someone not black cat crosses. Someone not crosses. Man, after me, I tell you no. I swear to God, on all the this hate campaign. Like, I don't get it. You know, sister, hey people, we can like a mix up, we can love like a mix up. But love mix up to a degree and make it stop this and make it go further to the point where it turn into hatred. That is bad. When you can't live in a life, so why don't you stop with the fuck? Don't get me wrong, I'm still looking for fuck, but you see me? I know which me not cross the threshold no more. I'm done with that shit. The fuck? No. Do better. Yeah, everyone needs to apologize, but not everyone is going to apologize, Sarah. Cause me, I know for a fact, I ain't apologizing to a damn soul. Man, I say hey, I say to nobody. Anything I come out and chat and cuss anybody. I mean, it's to the box me apologize for. Girl, you're crazy. Man, I apologize to nobody. In the past, yeah, me apologize because me feel like me pass and play some of them. So sorry, cool. Me must have an apology. But no, I'm not getting an apology. You're crazy. Nothing is wrong with her apologizing at all. But it caused Curly to run out with her wig. Hey, you know, I didn't want to say anything about Curly. But it's Curly, me not curious, girl, me tell her the truth. I mean, me not say you're gonna name up yourself. You're gonna name up yourself about this. You're gonna eat up yourself about this. I feel like, you see, there comes a time in our lives where we have to say, you know what? Leg off of certain things because that shit, it not get with nowhere, girl. It not get with nowhere. And this hate thing that a lot of us are prone to. Yeah, we can love the look of mix up, mix up nice. But when it comes to the hate thing, like, don't nobody with that kind of the hate thing, like, it not get no one nowhere. It not get with nowhere. I swear to God. In fact, all this, it's making a lot of us look very ugly and look stink. And I don't look like I'm big stinking barrel. I mean, I tell the truth. Enough of this bullshit now. You love look a mix up. Love look a blood clot mix up. Excuse me language, guys. I'm going to cost me too bad. Love the look a mix up. I love it to a fucking degree. I'm making blood clot. Stop right. Blood clot there. Chabamba clot. Hey, bud me now. Hey, bud for them big blood clot. Great on pussy about here, you know. Like if my bamba blood clot nerves, you know. I look at my nerves. Big hard back blood clot, great one, blood clot, great front, blood clot, man and woman. Come on, I'm going to send a bomber clot teenagers. Move, man. Move. I'm going to bomber clot like the blood clot, God. I'm not talking about Curly, sure. I'm not talking about Curly. But done that for that long time. But done that for that long time, girl. Done that for that. I'm not talking about certain things. I tell the truth, man. Hey, blame the alcohol. We just drink 2 sour beer. Blame the sour beer. So 2 sour beer. Blame that. Sure, I'm not trouble nobody, girl. I'm talking mine. Sometimes if you know for this leg off certain things, I'm not care. I don't blood clot care. I'm not bumba blood clot care. Someone say, so don't leg off some blood clot things about ya. You don't want to keep a bumba clot malice. And keep a blood clot stripe between bumba clot people. I'm tired out though. People, I'm sorry. Alright. Come back and I mix it back. I chat too much. What can I tell Sophie, girl?